What is up, you guys? Pete Carlo here, and today we're going to do a recap of the stock market, and I'm also going to start giving out the stock of the day. I think this could be a really good way to kind of give you guys some stocks to keep an eye on at the end of all of these videos. Now, one thing I do want to say is that by the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably 5 p.m., but it is about 2:44 Eastern Standard Time, so you do have about an hour and 15 minutes until the market closes, but I'm not going to be able to make a video later on, so I figured that I would just get this video out now, get it recorded, and then I don't really think anything crazy is really going to happen within the next hour and 15 minutes, but let's see if I eat my words. Now, let's take a look at the S&P 500. Today we're actually flat. We're down 0.9 or 0.09, I should actually say. It's a big difference, but we're not looking too bad here. We're actually up over this major resistance that we've talked about for a while now. This could be a false breakout, but as of right now, we are looking pretty damn good. We're going to go over this. We're also going to go over IWM. We're going to go over the Nasdaq, and then I'm going to give you one or two stocks to take a look at. But before we get into it, go and check out our Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to tons of courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, the best unusual options technical analysis bot in the game. It's a $200 a month tool that we give to you guys completely free so that you guys can get access to the same exact dark pool information, unusual options information, heat maps, everything that we use to trade professionally on a daily basis is over there, and it's completely for free. Go and check it out. Share it with your friends and family. We are growing to be the best free Discord trading community out there. Go ahead and check it out, guys. Now, looking at the S&P 500, this is a weekly chart. So please remember, this is not a short-term outlook on the market. This chart is looking at basically the past 2 years almost. You can see that this was from September 2018 down to December, where we had that major sell-off, that big bull run, the Rona dip, followed by a big bull run, and really the major area of resistance has been up at 473 for a while now. We've been unable to hold above that for a long time. And looking at this weekly chart, RSI pointing up, very good sign. MACD is about to cross, very good sign. Looking at the daily, we are holding up over this. We have just come out of this small squeeze that we have here on the TTM Pro. RSI pointing up, MACD's crossing, but there's one thing that we're missing here. What is one thing that we're missing to look like we could see a continued rally? And I'm going to give you guys 1 second. Comment down below. I know this isn't live, but still comment down below if you knew. Volume. That's what we're missing. We're missing volume. And you can see that the volume today, which we still have some time left, is significantly lower than it was before. But I want to see volume at least hold, if not start to come back up, so that we can get some good volume breaking out. I still think that we're going to see this continuation of a run, probably up to 480 to 485 within the next couple of weeks, but I wouldn't be surprised if this is a false breakout. One of the biggest ways to tell a true breakout is happening is when we have good volume, and we just don't have that right now. But at this point, not looking too bad. Nasdaq, big bull flag, big breakout, went over this yesterday. One thing I want you to notice here is that the TTM is squeezing like a motherfucker, and I'm sorry for cursing, but it is. Look at how much this is squeezing. When it's red, this is a huge squeeze, and you can see here, let me go back. We have this big squeeze that has been going on since basically November 29th. The longer that the TTM squeezes, the bigger the breakout or the breakdown is going to end up being, the bigger the release of the squeeze is going to be. So when we look at this, this has been squeezing for a month. Once this actually releases, it could be 2 weeks of releasing. So at this point, RSI pointing up, MACD's crossing, volume holding, Nasdaq's looking freaking solid. Nasdaq could push up to $17,200 within the next couple of weeks. It's not going to shoot straight up. We might pull back, might bounce, but we're looking pretty damn good at this point. The Dow, different story, but still looking good. Up at double top resistance. We have not been able to get through this. We tried to back in November, but this is going to be a good area for the Dow. So you got SPY, the Dow at big resistance, and the Nasdaq looking at a breakout, looking like we could try to push. But one thing we're looking at, remember, volume. I want to see the volume increase. Doesn't have to be as crazy as it was back here, but I want to see the volume increase. We talked about this yesterday on IWM. And you can see we're having troubles getting through the 200-day SMA. It's a little hard right now, but we're going to see if we can hold through that. This is going to be something to monitor for the next couple of days. Now, let's talk about some stocks to keep your eye on. Number one, SoFi. This is a high conviction trade that I'm just kind of giving away to you guys right now for free, but this has been part of our private mentorship group for about a couple of weeks now, and they've been buying pretty heavy. They started buying heavy today. You can see we're down here at a major support of 1426, looking damn good. RSI pointing up, MACD is about to cross, and you can see here I actually did an update within my positions. If you guys want to get access to all my trades, you can actually go become part of the free Discord and upgrade. We're up almost 11 grand in December alone, and so it more than pays for the $20 a month membership to get access to all the trades. But I did an update here. I said SoFi, quick update here. Did the original breakdown not too long ago, but here there's more buying coming into SoFi again. Looking like we could fall into that support line one more time, but we're looking really good here. Going to set another order, one more buy for 414, $15 calls. So those are the calls I have. April 14th, $15 calls. That's what I'm looking at. That's what they've been buying. If we go to the flow section of the Discord, let me scroll down. These are the flows that came through today. 717, $20 strike. Like we were talking about earlier, size, time, urgency, really good size, really good time, really good urgency, looking very good down at support. I really like SoFi for the next 3 to 6 months. And then another one is Boeing. I'm not in this position, but Boeing is looking good. RSI pointing up, TTM starting to squeeze, MACD is crossed. I really think Boeing can run up to 225, but I really want to see if it can pull back to 202 tomorrow, and I would like to re-enter. But that's what I'm watching. I hope these videos help. Sorry if I sound weird. I'm getting over COVID, but hopefully this helped, guys. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.